I'm about to take you to Johnston Canyon, but I did a little side trip because I saw this beautiful water and the snow, and just I thought, okay, I'll stop here. If you haven't seen my last video, I am doing a winter series and checking out all the canyons in Banff National Park, a little bit in Yoho, and then in my hometown as well. So we're trying to get outside, get motivated to do a little hiking in the winter. Doesn't have to be big hikes, but something to get us outside and keep moving. So in this video, we're about to head to Johnston Canyon. We're almost there, but anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit of this. I like stopping on unplanned stops and like, ooh. All right, if you like hiking, if you feel like you need to be motivated a little bit to go outside this winter, if you like blunt people and just say how it is, this is your video because I'm feeling kind of spicy lately. All right, it's a nice hat down trail. Oh, look how pretty. It's just so pretty. Check this out. Holy pretty. All right, let's head to Johnston Canyon. Parking lot is pretty full, but it's not as full as it would be if we were here in the summer. It is crazy in the summertime. Johnston Canyon is a beautiful 5.8-kilometer walk, I believe, along the walls of the limestone rocks. There's two waterfalls that we're headed to. The first one is called the Lower Falls, and then the second one is the Upper Falls. Yeah, I know, original. This is definitely a more social trail, more people. Whew. I'm going pretty fast. These little micro adventures that I'm doing is helping to make winter get a little faster, a little bit more bearable. During a weekend in the summertime, this trail can have 3,000 to 4,000 people a day hike on it. So coming out here today with very little visitors is a treat. And these catwalks, they're pretty narrow, so with that many people, it can get pretty crowded. You're basically walking in a single file, and if people want to stop and take pictures, it's actually kind of annoying for everyone behind because they just want to keep the flow and the walking going. So you just it's hard to get pictures and videos when it's summertime. But look at this. This is beautiful. A couple of summers ago, we were hiking in the backcountry, but you access it through this trail. And we got up early enough. Going wasn't a big deal, but coming home, it was actually just me and the dog because Jason went on with another group. So I just had Jack, and there were so many people. It was just a line. Single file, two lines, one going this way, one going the other way. It was crazy, and I just wanted to get out of there. Like, I wasn't here to have a look around. I just wanted to get back to the car after hiking in the backcountry for a while. Whoa. There's no way I could take video like this in the summertime. People would be so annoyed with me for holding up. It'd be so weird talking to you, like to the camera. This This is my second walk of the day. The first one was up Marble Canyon, and it's the video that was released before this one. And you can tell in that video, I had the heaviness of winter. I felt locked in. I was kind of miserable. And in this hike, I started to feel better. I was more uplifted, and it actually helped being around people. They were smiling, they were happy. We said hello as we passed. It wasn't too many people that it was overwhelming, but it was just enough to get a little bit of socializing energy. I definitely had to force myself to go for a drive and come out here on this little adventure. And although I've done this hike many times before, it's nice to go somewhere familiar, somewhere easy, and just get a different viewpoint, different perspective, and yet feel safe at the same time. Whew. The cool thing about this canyon, Johnston Canyon, in comparison to the one in the last video, Marble Canyon, is wider. And you're not walking on top of it, you're walking like in the middle. So you got rock above us, rock below us, and you're on these catwalk bridges. So it's really neat. And the next canyon hike, in the next video coming up, we'll be walking on the bottom of the canyon. Okay, we're gonna check out the lower falls here. And normally there's like a lineup. People wait for an hour to try to get a picture of these falls. That's pretty special. You don't get to do that in the summertime. No way would I wait in line to go through that cave and check out the falls. Still very pretty. All along the boardwalk. Alright, another kilometer up is the Upper Falls, which is pretty much the end of this hike. You could go another 3 kilometers to see the ink pots, which is pretty cool in the summertime too. I have never been in the winter, but I don't have that much energy for that today. The Upper Falls drops 30 meters into the canyon. That's about as tall as a 10-story building. So let's go check it out. You see what I mean about no people? You can't get this in the summertime. Going out for winter hikes is special. Less crowds, the crunching of the snow under your feet, the crisp air, getting outside in some sunlight. It's worth it. You just gotta dress a little warmer than normal.
What? There's like a route there. This is all ice cream.
Well, I'm happy. I made it to the upper falls. It was a bit of a climb. Not that hard, but uphill. Okay, that's Johnston's Canyon. And the next video, we'll be doing another canyon hike. So I'll see you on the next one.